Hi there. Let's talk menopause again. And wanted to talk today about shortness of breath related to menopause. Shortness of breath is definitely a symptom that I experienced very often during the time when I was going through menopause. That was between age maybe 45 to 50. I would often have shortness of breath, had trouble catching my breath. I would become winded. And I did a lot of reading and research on menopausal symptoms. And there were women who experienced shortness of breath um, during their menopausal symptom. Now, because I knew what was going on, I didn't allow it to alarm me. So I knew that I just needed to continue on my healthy journey of eating healthy, exercise, and adequate sleep, a minimum of 8 hours sleep at night. I would go to bed at the same time between 9 and 10 and get up at the same time in the morning. And I walked at least 4 days a week for a minimum of half an hour, brisk walking. And I guarded my mind so I wasn't overly stressed. And eventually, the shortness of breath went away. So, like I've said before, menopausal symptoms are worse if we're not healthy. But if we have a healthy lifestyle, these symptoms eventually will either resolve completely or will be significantly decreased. And that has been my experience with every every one of the menopausal symptoms that I've experienced. They've either gone away completely, like the shortness of breath, I don't have it, or they have been significantly decreased because of my lifestyle change. Now, I want to talk to you also about palpitation. I also had palpitations during the time when I was going through menopause. And in fact, I still do have it once in a while if I drink, say, too much coffee, or if I don't get adequate sleep, or if I'm stressed about, particularly or overly stressed about something, then I find that I will have palpitation. By and large, I don't have palpitation, neither do I have shortness of breath anymore because I lead a very healthy lifestyle. I eat properly. I'm primarily a plant based eater. Once in a while, if my hubby and I go out to dinner, I'll have a piece of salmon, or I might have egg, or I like chicken wings, fried chicken wings, so I might have some chicken wings. But that's like 5% of the time. 95% of the times, I eat a plant based diet. And I find it has made a significant difference in my overall health, physically, emotionally, psychologically, and spiritually. Okay, it has made a significant difference in my overall health. I'm able to maintain a good weight and I am very healthy. I have absolutely no health problems. And I know it's because of my healthy way of living, my healthy choices. So I no longer have shortness of breath or palpitations. But yes, these are definitely two symptoms that many women experience. Um, and yes, you can get rid of them by adopting a healthy way of living. You don't have to live with shortness of breath. You don't have to live with palpitations. And these two symptoms worse actually if you are overweight and not in shape. So the thing to do is to get on a healthy diet, eat small portions, cut out the night eating, cut out junk, okay, cut back on the sugar and the alcohol, and you will find that the menopausal symptoms will definitely be minimized or totally eradicated, including shortness of breath and palpitations. Okay, wanted to share that with you. Something that I definitely incorporated in my healthy regimen is cayenne pepper. Because cayenne pepper is a vasodilator and a potent blood thinner. Okay, so many doctors now will tell their patients to take a baby aspirin every day. I don't. What I do is I incorporate cayenne pepper in my diet. So I sprinkle a good quality cayenne pepper on my food before I eat it, or I make cayenne tincture and I will do a cayenne tincture regimen where I put water in my mouth and drop a couple drops of cayenne tincture, and I would leave it there for a minute and then I swallow it and wash it down with some water. That I'll do like every couple months. I'll do it for a few days. Okay, because cayenne can stop a heart attack in its track. Okay, and it helps to keep the blood pressure nice and regulated. And cayenne is also an anti-inflammatory. It will help with any joint pain or muscle pain that one has, and it helps to keep the blood pressure nice and regulated. It thins the blood so things move along. So cayenne is a very good thing very good food to incorporate in our regular diet. I wanted to talk to you about those, how you can rid yourself of shortness of breath and palpitation related to menopause, and it's all about lifestyle, healthy nutrition and good exercise, adequate sleep and lower stress. Okay? Take care. God bless.